2021 Can-Am Defender. This is not a cab model, but it has all the features of a cab. We have the flip-up windshield, the glass windshield. We also have operational light bar up at the top. We have the soft doors were added onto this. This is actually an XT package. We have the MXT stereo inside. If you can see that up above your head, just above your head here. All right, we also have, it comes with the roof kit, the power kit. We have the small mirror here, the rear view mirror as well. We have added also the BRP heater kit. As you can see down in here is the heater kit. No AC, but we do have the heater kit on this one. We also have a slow key. If you want to use the slow key setup, you can do that as well if you have a hired hand or something. Don't want them using the fast key. All right, the Can-Am Defender has a lot of added bonuses to it. You can flip up both of these seats, and you see we have storage under here. This is actually kind of sealed storage. It's got a little bit of a rubber seal around it. You can also pull that out, and then you have room for your dog if you want them to jump in there. Slide that back in there. Seat down, you have a nice armrest right here, as well as cup holders as well. Looks like we got there we go, all the way down, cup holders, armrest, and that flips right back up out of the way. So you can sit 3 people in this Defender. You also have this toolbox, which does come out in the Defender. Almost all of them have that. It does have power steering, of course. And you see this flip out windshield. It does open slightly. And then if we pull that handle up, and then we can just push it on out. Then you can see that nice glass windshield will stay open. And it does very well going down the road, even around 25-30 mile an hour. Not too much problem with that. All right, going around here, XT model, it does have the painted back plastic. You also have the 2-inch receiver for your hitch as well. Coming around here, we also have a back glass. This is not poly, this is actually a glass rear windshield, or rear glass, as we call it. And you can see these doors are pretty nice. They are the soft doors, but they fit real well. Open real nice. All right, in and out. Also, this one has the turn signals with it as well. So you're ready to go if you want to drive around town. You're able to do that. It has the nicer XT seats. You can see the nice design in those seats. They're a little bit tougher. Also, a little storage up front here where you can put your phone if you want to. And a lot of people don't realize this, but right down there is a couple USB ports. You could throw your phone in there and charge it as well. All right, also this one does come with a winch. Here's your winch switch. Here's your headlight switch. Of course, there's our turn signals horn as well. With that, we have our 4-wheel drive, our rear locking differential here. Here are our controls for our heater, our fan, and our heater. Okay, also you have another 12-volt plug-in right there that you can use. Okay, a couple cup holders there as well. And then this seat does slide. You can see the handle right there. Possibly the seat does slide forward and back to fit different riders, of course. All right. Up front, because it's XT package, we do have the bumper as well, and you can see the winch there also. So a really nice setup here. Of course, you have cutouts for buckets in the back. Have a really nice handle here. Open up the tailgate, as you can see, and super easy. Super easy to get the lift gate up, and also super easy to get to everything. You see all the hot engineering is on this side, and then most of the cooler stuff your oil check, your air filter, your oil check is right there, and then your gas tank. This is kind of the cooler side of the vehicle, so they really engineered that correctly. Also, you have the shock absorber here to help raise that up. You can also unhook that if you want to and let that whole bed just kind of flop back there a little bit. All right, so that is the Can-Am Defender XT HD10. Like I said, a lot of accessories added to that. It's a 2021 and it does have 351 miles on it, and you can see that here at Let's Go Motorsports.